go to the salon.
I want to wash my hair.
To wash my hair cost 1,000 naira. To weave it also cost 1,000. I couldn't film when she was washing my hair because my baby is disturbing. After washing, she brought me to this place because she just opened her salon. She has not gotten all the necessary equipment she needs, most especially the generator. I think here is bear parlor and the music they are playing here is giving. Let me allow you guys to enjoy the music with me. Oh yeah, let's go.
And I couldn't play the music again because of copyright.
Immediately she finished drying the hair, she applied hair cream, comb it, then we'll go back to her salon shop. Here we are. She have started weaving the hair. We are almost done here. And yeah, here is the outcome, how the hair look like. Thank you for we just finished drying the hair.